Anti-aging food, how to stay youthful. Skin, the largest organ of the body, is an explicit indicator of aging. Aging damages skin cells. It can be due to intrinsic factors, genes, or extrinsic factors. Anti-aging foods. Is there a magic potion? Most plant-based foods contain antioxidants. But few foods are richer in antioxidants and/or fiber by a few milligrams. Starting young with a healthy lifestyle is the key to delaying aging. The list of anti-aging foods is plenty. 1. Aloe vera. Studies suggest that aloe vera flesh is rich in antioxidants. Aloe vera juice is best when consumed in the morning. For plant-based juices, made from moringa leaves, wheatgrass and bermuda grass, must also be consumed for wholesome nutrition. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage and other leafy vegetables are rich in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It's the sulphorance and isothiocyanate, the organic chemicals found in the cruciferous vegetables that activate the antioxidant response, say experts. 3. Mushroom. Mushrooms are rich in antioxidants. Mushrooms must be eaten only in the cooked form to avoid allergic reaction. Limit the consumption to twice or thrice a week. 4. Gooseberry. Indian gooseberry, also called amla, is a fruit rich in vitamin C. Gooseberry has a unique anti-aging property which boosts collagen production. Preferably it should be consumed early in the morning. 5. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, made from cocoa beans, has become the new rage for anti-aging. Studies indicate cocoa beans are rich in antioxidants, polyphenols and flavonoids. But processing removes most of these antioxidant properties. Dark chocolate is an antioxidant. But be mindful of the fat and sugar in the same. One anti-aging drug that is freely available and not utilized much is sleep. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.